Alright. Today I'm gonna make a little trowel. I got a little piece cut out. It's 4 inches wide by 6 inches long. I got a little piece of rebar. I don't know how long it's gonna be. I cut that metal out of a sheet of metal. I don't know where it came from. It's about a eighth of an inch. Yeah, it's about an eighth of an inch thick. And I use it for digging holes to put my traps when I'm trapping. I have one, but I lost it. I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna make another one. That's all there is to it. Alright, so here we go. First part, I'm gonna start making the handle. I'm gonna heat up this metal. Pause this for a while. Just thinning it out. I'm using real blacksmith coal, thanks to Ken. Saved me a big trip, I appreciate it. If there's anybody in Louisiana who wants to learn about blacksmithing, Buddy Lemon is the person you need to see. That's where I got the coal, but Kenny got it for me. About the best blacksmith in Louisiana, I would guess. Let's see. I think that's pretty good. I'm just gonna heat it up just to level everything out. Big hammer. Just small hammer. It don't take long once you thin that metal out. Okay. Show you what I got going on here. It says space layer. I just thin out a little bit, but I'll rib it on there. But you'll see the whole process. Now I'm just gonna make the little handle come up. See how long I want the handle. I don't want that long. Put it right here. I'm gonna guess about right here where my thumb is. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Basically, I'm just turning this round rebar into square metal. I'm just squaring it off. Let you know what's going on. Keep forgetting. I just hammered this into a square piece of metal, and now I'm bending it into like a handle shape. Basically, I'm just twisting it up a little bit, give it a little twist, which gives it a little bit of texture. Which helps me grip it a little better. Right now I'm just refining the shape to what I think is comfortable for my hand. Alright, let's see what you got. See, this is gonna be the little handle. This right here is gonna be part of it. I'm gonna show you next step. We're gonna cool this off right now. Alright, show you what I got. I drilled a hole in both of these, the handle and the piece. And I'm gonna rivet these together. Basically I've got this piece of metal. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna just cut it. Put it in there. Right, for now, I'm gonna hammer down the tip of the metal. And it goes down easy. Now I'm gonna measure it and see about how much I need. Won't need much, about a ½ inch or so. Alright, I got a little piece right here. There we go. This is a little piece of metal. Fit it in there. Hopefully it'll go in there. Pretty easy. See? And now I'm just going to take the head of my hammer and just hit around it to rivet it up on there. I ain't gonna tighten up too much, I'm just gonna get it close. Do the other hole and then do the other one. Alright, I got the 2 rivets on. You see? I'm gonna stick it in the forge and heat the whole thing up. I'm gonna straighten everything out and fold the shovel part into a cup. Yep, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put a little coat of paint on it with a primer, with a enamel. I like the enamel on it because the mud slides off of it. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little coat of paint on it to show you after it's all over with.